I've been with the company since December of 2021. When I started as an intern and became full-time in that following spring. When we first started, or at least when I first started, all the machines that we built were hand-built and manually creating all these computers. It was a very lengthy process and much different than what it is now. Now, since I've kind of took it over, we've moved to working with our partner, sending all of our parts there. They build the machine, I help them set it up, we run it on their track, and then they ship to site. Now we have 4 machines, up from the one when I first started, so a lot more to handle, and kind of my role of commissioning, bringing up these machines, it's 4x'd the amount of stuff I have to do now. I love the people I work with, I love the company, and I love the leadership, and so I'm very happy with how life's been.